There was a network issue. The meeting was disconnected. Now it is on again. Now please mute yourself. Please mute करो खुद को. Okay. So we were on point number 5, agreement interfering with public duty. Okay. So if anybody is entering into an agreement which is interfering with public duty, that agreement is void. Okay. चलो आगे. Agreement for sale of public offices. The agreement for sale or transfer of public offices or to obtain public titles like Padma Shri, etc. are illegal. So any agreement which is for the sale of, if you purchase the title, that is illegal. X promises to pay rupees 1 lakh, 1 crore if Y secures him an employment in government office. So X has purchased the employment, no? So that is sale of public office, that is not permissible and against public policy. So we will stop here for the day. I will share the attendance link with you. If you have any difficulties, please ask me. Just a minute, give me a few moments. Some internet issue is there just. I'll give you the attendance link. Just give me a few moments. Google Forms I have to access to. In the meantime, you can prepare for your difficulties. You can ask me the difficulties. I'm giving you the attendance link. See, this is the attendance link. Whether you have received it, please intimate me. Have you received the attendance link? Now, as far as attendance is concerned, you have to fill in the Google form so that you are present here in the class. Now, another important thing is short-term course has already been started. Now it is my appeal to all of you to join that short-term course. Lectures are going on regular basis. So please attend the short-term course. The lectures are going on. Register yourself. The registration link also, if you want, I can give you the registration link for short-term course. I'll give you just a minute. Registration link for short-term course. So you are invited for short-term course. Please join. We can study it. You can study it, and we can teach you the things again. Just a minute. शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्स का अटेंडेंस लिंक भी भेजता हूं मैं आपको. This is the registration link for short term course. Please circulate amongst your friends. And I want attendance in that short term course. ठीक है ना, उधर भी गूगल फॉर्म बनता है, and accordingly it is sent to you. So you have to attend it, and I want attendance. So I am posting it to you. This is a link not for attendance. This is a link for short term course registration. ठीक है. So if you have any difficulties, please ask me. Today we studied about proposal, communication, revocation, etc. And thereafter we started studying consideration. Consideration, we discussed about the general definition of consideration. Then the definition under the law. Then we discussed legal rules regarding consideration. Then we discussed about the things or the agreements which are having no consideration but still they are valid. Then we started discussing about the agreements against public policy. Now that is yet to be studied. This is not completed, but we will study it in the next lecture. Now, it's 9:49, so we will have to wind up the lecture. You can have the break of 10 minutes and you can join the lecture at 10 o'clock. So I am stopping the sharing here. And if you have any difficulties, please ask me within 1 minute. We can complete or we can solve the difficulties. As it is, you are very free to ask me the difficulties at any time. There is no restriction. In the next lecture also, you can ask me the difficulties. Correct? So if you have difficulties, please ask me today or in the next lecture. So let us stop here for the day. It seems that you have no difficulties. So please apply your mind. I have shared these PPTs to you on Google Classroom. So please go through the Google Classroom. Please go through the PPTs and please ask me the difficulties whenever you have the difficulty. Okay. So with this, we are ending the lecture. Have a good day and all the best. Chalo, bye bye. See you.